So problem is given, prove that sec square theta minus sin square theta minus 2 sin to the power 4 theta over 2 cos to the power 4 theta minus cos square theta equals 1. So pause this video for a moment and come into your first step in solving this problem. Okay, so now let's solve this beautiful trigonometric identity together. So now we will start with left hand side. So our left hand side is just sec square theta minus sin square theta minus 2 sin to the power 4 theta over 2 cos to the power 4 theta minus cos square theta. Okay, so we can see sec square theta minus this whole expression, and our right hand side is 1. So using Pythagorean identity, we know sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. It means this whole expression, okay, this whole expression, we have to change this whole expression into tan square theta. Okay, so now let's try to change this whole expression into tan square theta. So it is sec square theta minus and sin square theta. Okay, sin square theta is common factor in numerator. So now let's take out the sin square theta. So sin square theta, then we are left with 1 from this first term. Okay. And from second term we are left with 2 sin square theta, and over, and in denominator we can see cos square theta is their common factor. So now let's take out this cos square theta. So from first term we are left with 2 and cos square theta, cos square theta minus 1. So now in next step, so sec square theta minus sin square theta in bracket, this 1 and then minus and this 2, and we can replace, okay, applying Pythagorean identity, we can replace this sin square theta with 1 minus cos square theta. So now let's replace it. So we can write here 1 minus cos square theta, okay, and then close the bracket, and over, so write denominator as it is. So cos square theta in bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1, and then in next step, so cos square theta minus sin square theta, and now let's expand this inside bracket. So it will be 1 minus 2 and 2 minus 2 times minus cos square theta will be plus 2 cos square theta, and next denominator will be as it is. So cos square theta in bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1. So next step, so sec square theta minus sin square theta in bracket. So if when we simplify this inside bracket, it will be 1 minus 2 will be minus 1 and plus 2 cos square theta, okay, and denominator cos square theta in bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1. So in next step, so sec square theta minus this is sin square theta, and now we can switch this inside bracket. We can write it 2 cos square theta minus 1, and denominator, so cos square theta in bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1. So now we can see this expression is same in numerator and denominator, so we can cross out them. So let's cross out them. Okay, now we are left with sec square theta minus sin square theta over cos square theta, and we know sin square theta and over cos square theta can be replaced with tan square theta. So now let's replace it, sec square theta minus tan square theta, and using Pythagorean identity we know sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Okay, so now 1, which is our right hand side, so right hand side, and now we proved it. So please like, share, comment and follow my page for such more maths. Thank you for watching.